What's up, guys? I hope you guys are all doing good, and I hope you guys have enjoyed well your holidays with your family and friends. And we are glad to have you back once again to our YouTube channel. We'd like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have not yet done so, please kindly hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification icon so that you not miss out our new concept when we upload our next video. So guys, we'd like to wish you a happy new year and a happy profitable year which we are going to have with us here at Bosskayz FX group. So we talk about smart money concept and order block strategies and ICT concept. So if you are looking forward to learn about those concepts, welcome to the family. Don't forget to just hit the subscribe bell and turn on the notification post. So in today's video, we are going to share with you how to trade order blocks in 2022 the smart way. And this is good, guys. We are going to break it down until to 84 from monthly. So as you can see here, guys, we had this high being taken out, and then the price continued going up, came back, and as you can see, take the orders, shifted the market going up, and now they've finally taken the structure. But before we go there, guys, remember, when price create a drop, best drop, meaning the last lower high creating a new lower low, sorry about that, this will become a supply zone where we can find our OB, meaning the next thing which we want to see, it's a what? It's a price coming back to the OB and shift the market going down, something like this. Same thing when price comes back to the OB or to the demand, want to see price going up, something like this. So as you can see here, guys, the price have taken out the structure, meaning this was the last opposite candlestick which was issued by the price while the price was going up, meaning we look forward to look for what? For entries around these zones. We look forward to look for entries around this zone, but we just minimize, and we are going to show you why we are looking for shorts. So now if we go back to our weekly time frame, as you can see, now we are in our weekly time frame. The first thing which we want to understand, let's go to daily. That's where we can see a clear view. Let me just come back where they have taken out the first structure. So I think it's around this zone, right? So as you can see here, guys, the thing which I want you guys to see, as you can see, this is our daily time frame, and the structure was being taken out, as you can see, going up, and the price even created a higher low right around this zone, and they have taken out that higher low. But now in a monthly time frame, this will become our higher high, where the price have came to pick the orders, shifted the market, but also remember they have taken out the structure, meaning it's our lower low. Then the price came back to this hidden order block or hidden base area where we can find our supply and pick the orders, shifted the market. Now they have finally taken out that lower low, creating a new lower low, and the OB was responsible, was this the first opposite candlestick which was issued there. Then the price came back to pick the orders, as you can see, and after picking the orders, they even took out this higher low right there, which was created while the price was going up, and they've even took out with the bearish engulfing candlestick. Now the next thing which you want to see is the price coming back to this zone, because this was created after breaking the structure right there, right? So we expect the price to come back, and as you can see, the price came back to pick the orders, shifted the market going down, and now as you can see, we had this higher low right there, the opposite candlestick, right? And the other opposite candlestick was around this zone right there. That's where the higher low was at, and then the price took out that zone, and the OB was responsible was this one, guys, as you can see. But this was the main OB, right? And this was the first OB, which was responsible for breaking all the structure. So we expected the price to come back to that zone, even though if they continue going down, you want to see price coming back. And as you can see, if you have managed to take your trades around this zone, you're going to take profit right there, right? And now the price came back, breaking the structure. As you can see, now the price is now going up, and the price have finally made it back to the supply zone. As you can see, guys, the price have finally made it back to supply zone, and the price came back, breaking the structure, guys. I didn't mark these ones, I didn't mark them, but you can see this was the higher lows which were taken out by the price while the price was going down. As you can see, they have taken out that zone with this bearish engulfing candlestick. Now they have came back, tested that zone, shifted the market going down, meaning now this lower low was being taken out around this region, right? And this region will now become our supply zone, and that's where we can find our OB. And then the price shifted, as you can see, shifted going down, and this is where the base area was at. And then the price took out the take profit around this region. As you can see, let me just zoom out so that you can see properly right there. The take profit was going to be smashed, but they failed to take out the lower low right there, right? Why did they fail to take out the lower low? Because if you zoom out, guys, you can see there was a higher low right there. They just respected it. The first time they went up, but they failed to take out. But as we're concerned about this OB right there, meaning now this OB was never being taken out. That's why the price was going up right there. We had a nice market structure breaker around this zone. We had a nice market structure break of structure. Then the price came back with compression. As you can see, this was a nice price approach to the OB right there, guys. This was a nice price approach, and I call it a liquidity. Coming back to the OB, you can also call it a compression. And then the price picked the orders, shifted the market going up. As you can see, they even took out this high, previous high, but they were just going to the supply level. As you can see, going back there. Now they have taken out this higher low, which was responsible for taking out this previous the previous high, creating a new high. So this OB was being taken out, as you can see. That's why I call this a supply zone, and that's where we can find our OB. This is a nice price approach to the order block zone area, meaning it's a compression. So what I want to see now is the price coming back to this zone and then shifting the market going down. But I'll take my profit there, because here we didn't take out the last lower low, which is now became our higher low. So I want to see price coming first to take out that zone until they came back. Let me show you in our weekly time frame. As you can see here, guys, this is the OB right there. And let me zoom out. So as you can see here, guys, we had this OB right there. The first candlestick was being taken out, guys. As you can see, this is the high, the lower high was being taken out by this bullish engulfing, meaning this zone will now become our OB right there. That's why I'm expecting price to come and pick the orders around this zone. If they pick the orders around that zone, we expect the price to push the market going where? up. That's the other thing which we want to see the price doing, right? So now the other thing which I want to see now is the price taking out these higher lows which have been created around that zone, right? And if price take out that zone, because here it's more liquidity, there are a lot of people who are holding the price, so the price have to come and take them out, then comes back to the OB, which will be responsible until they come back to this OB right there, which you can break it down to the daily time frame to see if price have tested that zone, but they didn't test that zone. So we are expecting the price to come back. Let me just go as quickly I can so that you can see it clearly right there. You can see right there. This was the last opposite candlestick which was created by the market going down. That opposite candlestick was being taken out, and if you go to H4 time frame, you can find out, guys. Let me just zoom in. It will now become easier for you to understand. As you can see here, around this zone, meaning the OB was all responsible for breaking those structure, right? Was this one, guys. It was this one, meaning we can go with the price to that OB by only understanding that the OB was this one and it was never being tested. And if we can check in our daily time frame, we still have a good downtrend way. As you can see, we still have a good downtrend, so we are looking forward to take an entry there, and if we can hold until to this zone. So this is a trade which you can also look for. You just have to wait for the market structure, this structure to be taken out. That's all we are waiting for. And if that market structure have a breaker, we look for shorts. So I hope this video will help you how to break down from your monthly until to H4 time frame by only understanding how to trade in line with the dealer, because it can help you to understand where the market is coming from and also know where the price will go ahead next. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram group for free signals and free setups. Thank you.